Hey guys, it's Jess here at Summit RV. I am here in our showroom in Ashland, Kentucky to show you this brand new Grand Design Momentum G-Class. This is the first ever Momentum travel trailer from Grand Design. It's their first travel trailer toy hauler. So I'm going to flip you around here and we're going to take a little walk around and check out the inside so you can see how awesome this is. I think you guys are really going to love it. This is 100% amazing Grand Design quality in a toy hauler travel trailer. So alright everybody, I'll see you in a second.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Alright Summit RVers, so we're going to take a look at this. This has a beautiful molded fiberglass front cap with LED lighting. They use automotive paint on their caps, so that black isn't going to fade or crack on you. We've got a power tongue jack right here. Going to make it a little bit easier when you're setting up at the campground. Something that's a little different in this particular unit compared to some other travel trailer toy haulers is that we have this really awesome storage closet. This is perfect for lawn chairs or fishing poles. There's all kinds of things that you can fit up in here because it's really tall. So you can see, you can put a lot of things in here vertically. And it does have motion sensor lighting. So if you're trying to get in here when it's dark outside, it's going to automatically turn on for you. So you can find what you're looking for. Now walking on around here a little bit, we have a massive patio awning here on the door side of the RV. This is going to be awesome in the campground. LED light strip all the way across. We've got sport aluminum rims with naturally felt tires, and we have the WeatherTech RD installation package on this RV. So this is good to go in all kinds of temperatures. Marine grade outside speakers, and this has a very, very cool sound system by Rockford Fosgate. The audio sounds amazing coming out of this RV. You're gonna love it if you like to listen to music. When you're at the campground, when you're hanging out around the campfire, this is the RV for you. As we head on around here, this is the rear ramp door. And this is the party deck, complete with a covered awning with an LED light strip. So not only do you have a patio awning along the entire door side of this RV, but you also have an awning completely over your party deck. And of course this lets completely down and all those rails fold up and go away so that you can put all of your toys right up in your toy hauler. This does have a full walk-on roof, and this is the ladder that's going to get you up there so you can maintain your regular seams and seal checks. This is pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, so you can install that. This does have a fuel station pump, so you can easily gas up your toys. Your universal docking station, just like any other Grand Design product, is right here all in one place, heated and enclosed, so you're not going to have to worry about anything freezing and busting on you. We have a 4,000 watt Onan generator coming. You can see that your max cargo weight on this is going to be right around 2,300 pounds. And your dry weight on this RV is going to be right around 7,152. So this is about 7,000 pounds, a little over 7,000 pounds dry. So it is half-ton towable. Depending on what you're hauling in it, I mean, that can affect it. But you can put up to 2,000 pounds of cargo inside this. So this is something that you can carry something pretty large in. We're going to head up in here and check this out. We have a Happi-Jac electric bunk system. So this is going to be a queen size bed that comes down. And of course, these sofas actually lay down and also make a queen size bunk bed when they come together. So you've got two different places where people can sleep here, but they also have sort of like a faux theater seating with cup holders. And then of course you've got some signature Momentum recliners that you can move around, take them out on your patio deck. Just something that's really comfortable for you to relax in. That's signature to Momentum. As you can see, lots of space, wide open floor plan, and there's still no slide. But you are getting everything that you need in this camper to be comfortable, and you can still bring your motorcycles or your golf cart or your kayaks or your bicycles and just pull them right up in here and travel well. As you can see, the countertops are underlit with LED lighting. It's going to be great at night, so you're not going to have to, if you need to get up and get something out of the fridge or you need to go to the bathroom, you don't have to turn all the overhead lights on. This is a seamless countertop with an undermounted stainless steel sink. Got a residential style faucet. Furrion self-lighting oven. You don't have to worry about sticking matches back in there to light it. And then of course a Furrion hood range and Furrion digital microwave. These are amenities you don't usually see in a travel trailer toy hauler. They're usually a little bit more rustic, but this one leaves nothing behind. All of your amenities are right here. As you can see, the Rockford Fosgate sound system has a subwoofer. Okay, so here is all of your controls right here in this cabinet. You can see the level of your fuel tank. You can have your generator controls, both of your awnings, your bedroom slide, the control for your Happi-Jac bunk bed, everything right here. Here's your flat screen TV, and then of course your Jensen sound system, and then here's your Rockford Fosgate upgrade right there for your control for that. Now, as we head on into the bedroom, you're going to see we have a full-size queen walk-around bed with a beautiful dresser and mirror. Cubbies on either side of the queen-size bed, so you can have a place to stash your phones or whatever you might want to take with you when you're going in this direction. Your chest dresser here does have power outlets and USB ports as well. And then if you check this out, we've got a nice little closet here with wardrobe hanging space. So literally there is nothing that this RV doesn't have. And as you can see, here's the bathroom, which is a complete pass-through from the main living area. Complete walk-through to the bedroom. Nice stand-up shower. Vanity with a sink and a medicine cabinet. Nice LED lighting. It's going to keep it cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. With the Arctic package insulation. The LED lighting is going to run cooler. Won't contribute to your heat. Takes about 1/10 of the power of a regular incandescent light bulb. You can see here in the ceiling we have a 15K BTU air conditioner, and this is the racetrack ducted air conditioner that Grand Design uses in its larger products. So it's going to be super quiet and incredibly efficient. It's going to be colder and quieter than any other AC you've heard in a toy hauler.
Friday nights are kids' nights at the Marshall, Kentucky Hall of Fame Cafe.
Just give you another look right here.
Every Friday night, enjoy dinner and let the kids experience the cafes for free. The Marshall, Kentucky Hall of Fame Cafe.
Alright guys, so we're just going to hang out here on this floating patio on this Momentum G-Class travel trailer. If you want to come down and see it, stop right in. We are located Summit RV on Route 60 in Ashland, Kentucky. We have a very friendly sales staff that would be happy to help you, show you around, just hang out with you. We have been here since 1976, owned and operated by the same local family, and we are very proud of that, and we would love for you to be part of our family. We're open Monday through Friday right now until 6 p.m. and Saturdays until 5. The phone number here is 606-928-6795. Send us an email at sales@summitrv.com, or you can hop on our website and hit live chat, and one of us will be right with you. Thanks, everybody.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.